Hello, I'm Kelly. In this segment, you'll learn how to make a sound. So to make a sound, you should start off with the mouthpiece, which is on the real trumpet. So to make a sound, you say M. So like the M shape, that's how you put it. You M, put it on the mouthpiece, and vibrate your lips like this. And this is what it'll sound like. And it's okay if you don't get it on the first try. It takes a while for you to get mastery at it.